So if you come late, remember once you come, when you come and mute your phone, okay, then others not going to disturb. And when you practice yoga, you have to remember there are few things, okay, especially when you work with your body, you have to remember this body is like a tool. You cannot abuse your body. So when you want to relax your body, remember whatever the postures when you do, always remember to keep open your palm. So if you open your palm, as example, when you move like this, you open your palm, and then what is happening? When you open your palm, your inside organs start to release. Your kidneys, lungs, liver, gallbladder, these all organs start to release. If you close your palm, what is happening? These inside organs start to close. So sometimes you can relax your muscles like this, but when you work, with your body, remember, if you want to relax your inside, remember to release the palms, especially when you do the postures. Another thing is always try to, there are certain postures you can close your eyes, but there are most of time try to keep open your eyes. Why? Because when you practice yoga, your pressure level going to change. So eyes are the one can balance your pressure. If you close your eyes, your inside pressure going to become high, and there is no place to release. So if you keep open eyes, it's always your pressure going to release, and you feel more relaxed, comfortable. Okay? So that's the second one. The third point is your tongue. Never try to tight your tongue. Always try to keep relax your tongue. So whatever, when you physically try to do any posture, if you feel tight, the very first thing that you have to do, relax your tongue. Why? Because when you relax your tongue, it relaxes your whole that nerve system. When you are tight, when your tongue tight, your whole nerve system get tight, and then you block the blood. Once the blood, the flow block, you block the muscles. So those are three things. There are many other, but for today, remember, open your palm, keep open your eyes, and keep relax your tongue. So that way your inner relax, inner organs going to become more relaxed. Okay, so then we go to Utkatasana, diamond posture. Open your legs to shoulder level. Okay, like this, and you bring your hands forward to shoulder level. Okay? And you keep your back straight. Okay, so from here, don't bend forward. Keep your back straight. And then bending your knees, try to bring your head down. Okay, like this. Okay. You don't bend. Keep your back straight, bend your knees, and hold your abs. Breathe in, breathe out. Little bit go down before you come, and slowly up. And relax. Again, back straight. Look forward. Don't drop your head. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly go down. Breathe out. Hold your abs. Keep your back straight. Okay, before you come up, little bit more go down and slowly up. And relax. Okay, Okay, so open your legs, please. We go to Konasana, hand side to side. Okay. So from here, stretch your arms, hold your abs and lock your knees. And slowly breathe in, breathe out. Don't drop your arms like this. No, keep straight. Okay, like this, keep straight. And if you can, little bit move backward. And then you feel the pressure on your shoulders and behind your shoulders. Little bit move back. Open your chest. Hold your abs. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. And slowly relax. Okay, open your hands. And now turn your right foot to right side. Okay. And then slowly bend your right knee. Then turn your head to left. Breathe out. Keep relax your body. And if you can, slowly your right hand bring to your right leg. And bring your left hand to 45 angle. So don't lift your hip. Bring it down. Bending your knee. Stretch your arm. Stretch. Try to stretch your whole body from your left side. Left arm, left leg. Breathe out. And relax. Open your hands side to side. Stretch your arms. And turn your left foot, left side. Okay, now from here, slowly bend your knee. Okay, turn your head to right side. Breathe out. Okay, now slowly bring your left hand, bend your left and keep on your knee. And then bending your knee, bring your hip down. And this time here, stretch to 45 angle. Breathe out. Okay, slow, relax. Relax. Okay, now from here. Okay. Okay, like this. Keep open your legs to shoulder level, hands to shoulder level. And then from here, bring your right leg up. Right leg up and left hand up. Find the balance. Breathe out. Right leg, left hand. And relax. Okay, change the leg, please. Change the leg. Left leg, right hand. Look forward. Okay, relax. Okay, open your legs to shoulder level, please. Okay. So like this. Like this. Okay. And then your right hand, hold your right heel. Okay. your foot. And then bring your left hand up. Open your palm. And bend backward. Look up. Breathe out. Try to bring your hip forward. Don't hold your weight. Try to push your weight out of your body. Breathe out. And slow, relax. And change the hand, please. Change the leg. Okay, bring your right hand up. All the way. Little bit. Open your palm. Bend backward. Don't push your body. Just do as much as you can. And slow, relax. Okay, change the hand please again to the side, your right side, and hold. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, bend back, look up. Don't hold your breath, keep open your eyes because it increases your pressure sometimes. And relax. Change the side please, change the hand. Okay, relax. Okay, now little bit more open your legs and slowly go down and stretch your hands forward. Okay, so don't lift your buttock up, drop it down. Breathe out. Completely try to go down. Relax. Okay. So in the beginning, if you are a beginner, do it 30 seconds. That's enough. 3 times. So we don't have that much time. But yourself when you practice, okay, each posture. In the beginning, try to do 3 times. Each time 30 seconds. And rest again 30 seconds. Okay. And then you can do it for 1 minute. Okay. Now from here we go to Cobra posture. Open your legs to shoulder level. From here, breathing. Breathe out. Up. Keep relax your body. Let your whole body weight go down. Slow, relax. Okay, again, breathe in. Breathe out. Up. Okay, slow, relax. relax. Okay. Then lie down on your back, please. Okay, turn to this side. Okay, keep open your legs to shoulder level and shoulder level. Okay, like this. Don't keep closed. Open it. And it's here now. Breathing. Breathe out. Lift slowly. Lift your body. Look up. Try to push upward your weight. Don't hold it. And slow, relax. Okay, again. Okay, deeply breathing. Breathe out, up. And slowly relax. Yeah, relax. Okay, lie down. Okay, bend your right leg. Okay, right leg. Keep other leg straight down. Hold it from your both arms. Your right leg. And deeply breathing. Breathe out. Slowly pull your knee towards your head and slowly try to bring your head towards your knee. Breathe in, breathe out slowly. Keep open your eyes. Keep relax your breath. Don't hold your breath. Don't push too much. Just do it as much as you can. Okay, slow, relax. Change the leg, please. Change the leg. And hold it, breathing. Breathe out. Up. Pull your knee towards your head. Bring your head towards your knee. And relax. Okay, now bend your both legs. And hold it from both arms. Okay, breathing. Breathe out. Bring your head towards your knee. And relax. Okay, bend your legs close to your body. Stretch your hands up. Okay, from here, deeply breathing. Breathe out, slowly push up your butt and bring your butt up. Let your body weight go through your shoulders and arms. Don't hold your weight. Push it away. Breathe out. And slowly relax. Okay, again, please breathe in. Breathe out, up. Okay, slowly relax. Okay, okay, up, relax. Okay, relax your palms. Okay, bring your hands here. Okay, deeply breathing. One hand up, breathing in, in, up, in. Breathe out. Breathing in, in, in. Breathe out. Okay, both hands. Breathing up, breathing in, in, in. And breathe out through mouth. Okay, both hands breathing up, breathing, palm up, breathing, palms up, breathing in, in. Hold it. And breathe out. Okay, again breathing, breathing in, in. Breathe out. Okay, now you can go to Savasana after you finish and stay 3 minutes. Okay, Savasana is lying down like this. Okay, so like this, you lie down and don't move your body. Okay, so okay, you can sit and we're going to end. Yeah. Okay, open your hands and keep your palms to Jnana Mudra. Keep relax your body. Close your eyes. Om. Om. Palms together. Shanti. 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 Namaskar. Okay, so now you can go to Savasana, lie down on your back and let your whole body weight go down and relax 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, don't stay more than 3 minutes. So stay 3 minutes and then turn to your left side to then turn to your right side and you can then rest yourself, or if you want to practice meditation after yoga, that is good. Okay, so have a nice evening. We have 8 o'clock we have meditation, so if you are available you can join with us. Okay, have a nice evening. Bless you.